All right, now that we mark off our top plate and our bottom plate, this is how you will put your studs in. So you put your top plate up here, your bottom plate's right here, that we marked off already, and you're gonna put each one of these studs right here, right next to the X that you marked on your top plate and your bottom plate. All right, now that you mark your studs, you want to make sure that they're 16 on center. The way you do that is you will take your tape measure, you have to put it on the center of the side stud, and you want to make sure it lines up with the X right here next to the line, so right in the line. You want to make sure it lines up the exact same way with your bottom stud, and once you realize that it's lined up, you will take the stud that you want to use, make sure it lines up with both, and then have it cover the X on the right side of the wood. And once it's all lined up, make sure it's perfect. Once it's all lined up, you'll take your nail gun, you shoot them both in. There we go.
And this is what the finished wall looks like.
All right, now that I taught you how to build a wall frame, I'm gonna teach you how to build a window wall frame. The only difference between those two things is that it includes cripple studs, a header, jack studs, later we'll add king studs, and we'll add more cripple studs, and then a rough seal will go in this position. Once you build all of that, you will start building from the center out, and you have to make sure it's even. Once we add our king studs, it should look something like this. Have them on both. Now we have our rough seal, our cripple studs under the rough seal, and we also added our extra king studs outside right here and right here. Now our project is complete. You can also add blocks going in between each of the studs, but it's up to the blueprint on what you could do or preference.